this is Talia. Canary's about 2 and Talia's about 4. And the two of them just love to play ball. As you can see, they're just fixated. They do have some pretty good manners. And they came to us very undernourished and in need of some TLC. But they're all happy and fattened up and ready to be adopted. So come on down and meet Canary and Talia. Come here, girls. Look. Canary, look. Look. Sit. 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 Good girl. Go get it.
Can we throw that one? Oh, I know you love that one.